What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another beautiful day on the channel. If you don't know me, my name's Baked and I'm just your normal everyday bike rider. We're heading back to the lot today to practice a little bit more. The weather is like so good. It's like at least 70 degrees right now, so I'm really happy and excited to go to the lot real quick. Got the cops stashed over there at the church because there was just a wreck right here, I think. So, or there was actually. I saw on my way home from work. Pretty scary stuff. But yeah, we're just heading to the lot to get a little more wheelie practice in. I'm really trying to get on the grind while I can. All the weather's good too, so we're gonna be filming a little bit today. What the Yukon? But yeah, should be a chill little ride over there. Big old boy. Gotta use my feet to signal. What the? No. But yeah, it's about a 10-minute ride over there, so it shouldn't be too bad at all. And then my roommate, my third roommate that I'm living with, he's getting his very first bike today. He's getting a little Ninja 250R. So he's got all his gear and stuff already, so he's excited about that. We'll see how nice it is and how much the dude will take for it and all that, but I know he's excited about that. His very first bike, but you know, he's getting a small bike since he's never been on like a dirt bike or anything like that, which is good. It's smart. Smart of him. Can't have Bo dying on us. Who's gonna pay the rent? No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, we'll see how he likes it. Woo-wee! It is a beautiful day out. I like. Trying to just learn that clutch up point of engagement and all that, and the right amount of throttle without flipping it, you know, and trying to get better at my freaking throttle control actually, because I am not too good at that. Not gonna cap. Oh shoot, she's a little floppy. Bruh, this hose is so crappy. It's not meant for high temperatures, I see. I see. Luckily, it doesn't really do anything until I get good at wheelies, so I'm definitely not good at wheelies, so haha. Yeah, that hose freaking sucks. Anyways, There we go, just gotta give a little more throttle. Even though it's a little scary. Ay, ay, ay. Holding on for dear life on this thing. That wasn't it. All right. Getting a little bit better, I guess. Not that one. Trying to find that like exact like sound that it sounds whenever you're at like the perfect point to let go. It's like whoa, whoa, like a little bit. Don't mind my biker language, but just trying to find like the, cause I ain't looking at my RPMs at all. I'm just trying to go by feel, cause first of all I can't really see my freaking dash, and second of all you're not always going to be able to look at your dash, so I want to just be able to hear it like or whatever. But I'm not very good at doing that yet, but we'll get there. We shall get there, we shall get there. Try to go for a little burnout here. Get that tire a little warmed up. Yeah, that was pretty good, pretty good. Look at the mark. Yeah, these tires are old as frick, so they don't even smoke, bro. I'm doing a dry ass burnout. Yeah, look at that. What the hell? Hey, pretty long though, so. Anyways, let's go back to the house. I'm tired of freaking trying wheelies. My hands hurt. Come on, I know you finna open. Appreciate it. Anyways, that's enough for today with the wheelies. Do a little ride back here. Hey, Jixer. I mean, yeah, Jixer. Freaking sweet. Like that colorway. Mr. Jixer, bruh. Nice. What's up, dude? I like your bike. It's cool. Does it go fast? That's cool, dude.